E-commerce has gained deeper popularity during the epidemic, but it has also facilitated package theft. We conducted a survey on porch pirate activities, and here are the results. As Americans enter the second half of the year filled with shopping holidays and online sale events, Prime Day, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and year-end sales. Here are some of our key findings. Nationally, 49 million Americans have had at least one package stolen in the past 12 months. The median value of stolen merchandise was $50, with state-specific averages varying from $30, Arizona, to $80, Alaska. Due to the prevalence of thieves, you must take preventive measures to ensure that the package will not be stolen. JDY has the answer. It's called the Parcel Box. The Parcel Box features an anti-theft protection system, where delivery personnel simply place your items in the top entrance, and as they close the compartment door, your items slide into a cushioned, secure storage box. Your packages can only be retrieved through a password or key entry and not through the entrance. Unlike other systems, our Parcel Box does not require any power source or complicated installation. The Parcel Box is constructed with durable galvanized metal plates that are powder-coated with exterior wall paint. It features stainless steel handle and locking levers, hinges, and nylon washers. Rubber seals are applied to the drawers and doors for added protection against water damage.